Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to introduce today's presentation on floor polishing by housekeeping. This session will cover the key techniques and best practices to keep your floors shining. We'll go over the process, tools, and tips to ensure your floors look their best. Let's get started. Welcome to the introduction of marble polishing. As you can see, marble polishing is truly both a science and an art. It requires precise techniques, but also a deep understanding of the unique properties of each stone. By mastering these skills, we can unlock the natural brilliance of marble, making it look stunning. Polishing isn't just about appearance. It also enhances the durability of the marble, helping it withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, it improves the functionality, making surfaces easier to clean and maintain. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore how combining scientific methods with artistic flair can transform ordinary marble into a beautiful, long-lasting feature. It's this balance that makes marble polishing both a technical craft and an artistic pursuit. Let's start with the first step in our polishing process: inspection. This is a crucial stage where we thoroughly examine the marble surface to identify any scratches, stains, or other imperfections. By doing this, we can determine exactly what level of polishing is needed to achieve the best results. During this inspection, we also check for cracks, chips, and the overall condition of the surface to understand its specific needs. Additionally, cleaning the floor to remove dust and debris is essential before we begin any polishing work. This careful evaluation ensures that we address all issues up front, setting the foundation for a smooth and effective polishing process that enhances the beauty and longevity of the marble. Let's move on to step 2, which is identification. Here, the key point is understanding the nature of the stone we're working with. For example, if we're dealing with a hard stone like granite, it typically comes directly from the factory already polished by the company. This means it's durable and has a certain finish right out of the production line. On the other hand, if we're working with softer stones, such as Italian marbles, these require different handling and treatment because of their delicate nature. Recognizing whether the stone is hard or soft is crucial because it guides our entire process, from selection to finishing, ensuring we achieve the best results for each type. This step is fundamental in aligning our approach with the specific characteristics of the stone, ultimately helping us deliver quality work. Now let's move on to step 3, which is floor washing. At this stage, we focus on thoroughly cleaning the first floor by removing dirt, dust, and grease from the surface. We use a detergent water solution to loosen and lift these contaminants. Once that's done, we employ a wet vacuum machine to suck up the dirty water, ensuring the surface is as clean as possible. After vacuuming, we mop the floor to help with the drying process. This step is crucial because it prepares the surface for the next phase, ensuring everything is spotless and dry before we proceed further. Remember, a clean, dry floor not only looks good, but also prevents accidents and maintains hygiene. This process ties into our overall goal of achieving a safe and pristine environment. Now let's move on to step 4, which is the grinding phase. In this step, we use coarse diamond abrasives to carefully grind down the surface. The main goal here is to remove any scratches, etches, or stains that may be present. This process is crucial because it creates a uniform base, setting the stage for a smooth and effective polishing. When selecting the grid size or the grid holder, we typically start from 30 and go up to 800, depending on the condition of the surface. The idea is, the fewer scratches you see, the higher the grid number should be. Think of it like this: if the surface still shows a lot of scratches, you need to use a coarser grit. If it's relatively smooth, you can go for a finer grit. And it's important to note that this grinding is done in micromillimeters, which shows just how precise this process needs to be. By carefully controlling the grit size and grinding process, we ensure a solid foundation for the next steps in polishing, ultimately leading to a perfect finish. Now we move on to step 5, which is the hunning process. Hunning involves using finer abrasives to smooth the surface even further. At this stage, you'll notice the marble starting to develop a matte finish, giving it a more refined look. The grit range here is typically between 1,000 and 1,500, which helps achieve that softer, more subdued surface. This step is crucial because it not only enhances the appearance but also prepares the marble for the final polishing stage. Remember, hunning is about gradually refining the surface to bring out the natural beauty of the stone while ensuring a smooth, even texture. Now, let's talk about hunning. This is really about refining and sharpening our skills or our craft through focused practice. It's the stage where we identify what's working and what needs improvement, and then make those adjustments. The key point here is that hunning isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that helps us achieve mastery over time. By dedicating ourselves to continual improvement, we stay aligned with our overall goals and keep moving forward. Remember, hunting ties directly into our theme of growth and excellence. It's about pushing ourselves to be better every day. Now we arrive at step 6, which is polishing. At this stage, we use polishing compounds and finer abrasives to really bring out the stone's true beauty. This process helps achieve a glossy, reflective surface that makes the stone stand out. It's the moment where the surface transformation becomes visible and the stone's natural elegance starts to shine through. This step is crucial because it not only enhances the appearance but also reveals the quality and craftsmanship behind the work. Remember, polishing is the finishing touch that turns a good piece into a truly stunning one, connecting all the effort we've put in so far to the final, polished masterpiece. Now we arrive at step 7, which is sealing. After we've polished the marble, the next important step is applying a sealant. This is a key process because it helps protect the marble from moisture, stains, and everyday wear and tear. Think of the sealant as a protective barrier that preserves the beauty and integrity of the stone over time. It's absolutely crucial for maintaining both the longevity and the appearance of the marble. When done properly, sealing ensures that our investment in quality marble continues to look stunning and performs well for years to come. This step really ties everything together, emphasizing the importance of proper maintenance in preserving the natural elegance of marble.